portion of the video is sponsored by VacLife. They sent me over their handheld vacuum cleaner. This vacuum cleaner does come with two tools, the dust brush tool and the crevice nozzle tool, and an extra air filter. I will be sharing with you guys how I use the vacuum cleaner throughout my home. VacLife is a professional brand that specializes in home and automotive appliances. They have served millions of customers worldwide. They are a 5-star seller on Amazon, and they also have an official website for their brand. So I am using the crevice tool to get some of the dirt up off of my steps, and I'll also be using the brush tool to vacuum the carpet area. This vacuum cleaner has a very simple operation, really great quality, and it's cost effective. It's cordless, convenient for both your home and your car, and it comes in various color options. Y'all, I really have been loving this vacuum cleaner. I have been using it for about a week now, and I have really enjoyed. I'm so impressed by how the suction is. The suction is amazing to be such a small little tool, but I have really been loving this vacuum cleaner. The vacuum cleaner is fast charging, and it has a really long lasting runtime, low noise, strong suction, and it's, like I said, it's so simple to operate. So I know my headboard may not look too bad, but the headboard does get pretty dusty and hair gets on it, as well as lint from the pillowcases and the covers. This is how much dust and dirt was picked up from everything that I vacuumed today. I am so in love with this new vacuum cleaner from VacLife. Thank you again so much, VacLife, for sponsoring this part of the video. Everything will be linked down below in my description box, as well as a coupon code.